Hi, this is John Ozzy, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ihab. Ihab has been trading with us from the 31st of May and the journey up until 15th of July 2021. Ihab has had a drawdown 6.8%, a monthly gain of 8.99%, and a daily gain of 0.27%. 64 trades in total, profitability 36 out of 64, representing 56%, and lost 28 out of 64, which represents 44%. So the best trade to date is 1,236.28 cents, and the worst day is $576.19. In terms of pip gain, it was 182.6 on the 30th of June. Looking at his journey over the last 3 months of joining Audacity Capital, he's made 0% in May, 3.49% in June, and 10.17% in July. This is very good. And looking at the history of trades, as we can see, he's had consistent lot sizes here. But one thing I will say is stop loss in place is always important. A stop loss in place keeps you in control, no matter how long you're holding the trades for. You can see this trader's in and out of the market, like a day here, 4 days here, but these are still good gains realized, 4.61%, 3.26%. These are very good solid gains. Congratulations and well done. But a stop loss in place will always make you a better trader and reduce your unnecessary exposure. And more importantly, it will help you get to your 10% faster as well. So I challenge you, just you're doing a great job, you've got a great strategy. So I'll recommend you just put a stop loss in place and you can take that 56% off by a staggering 10%, which or 12%. So I challenge you to about 15%. Get this up to about 71% and above and reduce your losses by another 10% or more. That way, as you grow with the program, you get more confident, more consistent with your ways, and you still got a long way to go because the journey gets easier. But it's only down to you as a trader to make it easier by investing in yourself. So obviously, you got paid. Buy books on psychological trading, like Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone. And if you go on the Audacity Community app, I recommend some good books as well. Having that positive mindset will always help you get the right payday, keep you disciplined, keep you consistent, and more importantly, success is just around the corner. Congratulations.